So I recently installed the Nestour neon light kit here in my Tesla Model 3, and let me just tell you right now that it looks amazing. It really helps out with the ambient lighting in the car. It really creates a positive vibe and a positive mood as you're driving your car, making your driving experience even more stellar driving your Tesla. After taking delivery of my Tesla Model Y, one thing that I noticed is that the cabin is very dark. There is no ambient lighting happening, especially at night when you don't have any footlights under the seat for your backseat passengers. And then the only illumination that you receive driving your Tesla at night is from the center screen and also the two dim buttons on your steering wheel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my experience with the Nestour neon lights and how I installed it, and just my overall unfiltered review of this product. And stay tuned to the very end of this video, because also I'm going to share with you a screen protector, because we all need a screen protector, because whenever you crack the screen in your Tesla, we're looking at expensive repairs. So let's go on and talk about the ambient lights in the car, and we're starting right now. Whenever I received the package, everything was well organized. You see the tools there, the adhesive, the light tubing, and also all of the cords and plugs that you will need, along with an armrest storage organizer. I started off in the center console. As you can see there, everything fit nice and snug. The corners, I can say it was a little challenging because it is such of a tight fit. It wasn't a problem at all. I just know it's not going to pop out. And I went on and pushed the bottom of the light strip down in the crevice that's already there, and it was a perfect fit. As you can see, it's not even popping out. Take some scissors and you cut it, and I ran everything right under the armrest. Now I'm cutting off the bottom portion of the light tubing, because the bottom portion is what fit nice and snug. So what you want to do is you want to cut off the bottom portion in order for it to go right into the lights that it comes with. You see right there, and it slides in perfectly. I'm tightening it up just a little bit with my hand at first, so it doesn't fall out. I'm repeating the same with the other light tubing. You're gonna slide the light tube in there, tighten it up. It does come with a screwdriver, so you do want to take the screwdriver to secure it, and that way you don't have to worry about it popping out. And you just want to get it nice and snug. You push the button one time, it turns on. You push it again, it turns off. I'm going to run another cord. You have another cord that looks the same, and right along the center console, you can just sneak it right there. Again, that is a nice tight fill, and everything fit wonderfully. So you can run the wire all the way around and just push it up. It comes with a little tool there, and you just push it into the crack there. And you're going to go around to the trim on the door. The top trim on the door will pop off. It's a very easy pop off. And I'm wrapping the cords now. You want to secure the cords. And the twine that it came with, I just wrapped it back, just stuff it. And again, repeating the steps as I did in the armrest. You cut it, you take the screwdriver, secure it, and I am just going to pop that right back on. And you see it's upside down right now, so make sure that the long part on your Model 3 and Y goes down. Now we are going to put on your adhesive. Your adhesive, you want to make sure that it's going to stick on the back of the light strip, that it doesn't come off. You just go on and just line it up the way that you would like it, and it sticks. There's a lot of adhesive out there. However, I can honestly say the Nestour adhesive sticks perfectly. It's almost like a set it and forget it. You don't have to keep pushing it and pushing it. It's very sticky. So make sure you just line it up exactly where you want it before you apply it, because it will stick in place there. And what I'm doing now, just making sure that it's sticking, just giving it a little extra push. Now I'm repeating the same step on the passenger side. You're going to get the cord in there, and you're just going to sneak it right up under the trim on the center console and just run it right down. In order to hide the cord, run it up under and around. And where we're going with this is that we're going right over to the door trim again, and we're going to just tie it up. And I'm using the same twine that it came with in the package. After I fold it, I'm just taking that twine and just wrapping it around there and repeating the steps again with the light tube. But this time I decided, versus running it on the top, I was going to run it along where the air conditioner is coming out. But you want to get that trim on first though, and that way you know exactly what you're working with. To apply the adhesive, you do want to measure first before you make any cuts, and give yourself just a little extra for mistakes. They do supply you with extra material as well, so that's a good thing. And just a note here, I have the heat on right now. You want to make sure that the heat is running versus the air condition, because if it's cold, that glue will get harder and it will be more difficult for it to stick. But the heat, it was no problem. Time it touched, it just stuck right on there without any problem. And you can line it up like you want it, and there we go. Now we're going to apply lighting down under the dashboard by the driver and also the passenger. So I'm doing the driver there, then I'm going to go back and repeat the same steps on the passenger side. And it comes with adhesive to stick on the back of the larger lights. So you just run it right down and peel off that adhesive, stick it right on. I stuck it on first before I finished because I saw that we were running out, but it fit wonderfully. And repeat the same steps under the seats, on both seats, and this is how it will look. So I just wrapped that cord around some of the wires there, but it also comes with wire tie as well inside of the package. So a lot of the wires will go under your armrest, so you don't have to sacrifice storage. It comes with an armrest organizer, and it's cut out to go right around the cigarette lighter plug, and it's a wonderful look. As you can see, there is a glare on the windshield. I found out by putting it about at 5 to 10% that it will reduce the glare on the windshield. And as you can see, it is beautiful. I would recommend this product to anyone. So not only do you have your basic colors like red, and you have green, blue, yellow, and just different colors that go to yellow. However, too, you have things like different preset, like flashing white, flashing purple. It goes on and on, like green and blue gradient, or you can also just have the different colors as well in 7 colors, and you can jump, it can fade, and you can deal with the brightness. And also you have a custom color wheel, so you can get all of the colors, you can get it just right, and you can preset music in here as well. I don't know much about that just yet, but that's pretty cool, and the sensitivity of the music. You can do custom, and like I said, the different modes, and it works all across the car. So that's my review of the Nestour interior neon light kit. It is highly recommended, and make sure that you check the link down in the description box in order to get a great discount on these lights. And also check out the video here on your screen about the screen protector, because you want to protect your screen, because it will be an expensive repair. And I get right to it, and the video is right here on your screen, and I will see you in the next video.